Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make the perfect egg croissant sandwich. This simple recipe is incredibly satisfying and quick to prepare, taking less than 10 minutes from start to finish. We'll focus on creating a fluffy egg and combining it with a warm, buttery croissant for a delightful breakfast or brunch. Let's get started by gathering our few essential ingredients. Now, let's create that wonderfully fluffy egg. Whisk 2 large eggs with a pinch of salt and pepper until they're light and airy. Melt about 1 teaspoon of butter in a non-stick pan over medium-low heat. Pour in your egg mixture and gently fold the edges as it cooks. This technique helps create a soft, tender texture, perfect for our sandwich. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes until just set. With our fluffy egg ready, it's time to assemble our delicious sandwich. Carefully slice your croissant horizontally, making sure to keep it hinged. Place 1 slice of your favorite cheese on the bottom half of the warm croissant. Then, gently slide the perfectly cooked egg on top of the cheese. This combination of warm, buttery croissant, melted cheese, and fluffy egg is truly irresistible. Feel free to add a slice of ham or some fresh chives if you like. Finally, gently close the top half of the croissant over your egg and cheese. The warmth from the egg and croissant will help melt the cheese beautifully. Serve your masterpiece immediately to enjoy it at its best. This simple, yet elegant, egg croissant sandwich is a fantastic way to start your day or enjoy a quick, satisfying meal. It's a truly delightful treat that you can easily make at home in just a few minutes. Enjoy every single bite.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.